Now, one thing I can say, bro, is this gun shit, bro, is you ain't gonna never stop buying shit, bro. You gonna always want to buy something, bro. Like, it's a non-stop thing, bro. It's like worse than a drug addiction, bro. Oh, man. Let me clear this first. We clear. This thing has been going crazy on my channel, bro. When I take this to the range, I don't know if I want to run my G-Flex in there or not. I don't know, my G-Flex tore my flashlight up, bro. Like, literally. That's not coming off. Like, I didn't try everything. Everything that everybody done said I done tried. Like, it was literally fire spitting out this thing. And it's not, it came off the lens, but it's not coming off that. I don't like that. I might wrap some tape around it. But I don't know if I want to run my G-Flex in there. Look at the ports on that thing. How many on there? 8? I think it's 8 on there. Is it 8? Yeah, it's 8. It's 8 ports on there. Got the window up top, window on the side. You feel me? Look like a Tesla truck. No. No, but optic from Gideon. This is the Gideon Omega. Let me see. This is the Gideon Omega. I haven't did no reviews. I just did, like, you feel me, unboxings on them. But they holding up, man. I actually got the mediator on my Springfield Ashline, so we gonna get them a couple. You feel me? Some time on the channel. But this now I can compare it to my my Delta Team tactical slide, and this is, I feel like this is way better than this, and I feel like the spring and guide rod is way better. Like, this one is super tough. This one cool. Let me see. But this one is super tough. Let's see if I can throw it on here. I'll throw it on this gun. It's like super tough, bro. But it worked. I actually ran the G-Flex on this. Which one y'all like better? Which one would y'all take right now? You feel me? I'm trying to do something with this, but every time I, you feel me, want to do something, I do it to my 19X. And I just threw my I just cut the back strap. You feel me? Because I like the slim grip on here, but I also like the beaver tail. So I just cut the beaver tail off the top of that. You feel me? Threw it on there, put the pins on there, rewrap my grip, and that's fire, bro. That's fire. Just look at this slide though, bro. Look at the slide on this thing, man. Now, I ordered the slide, the barrel, the internals, and it that was my first time putting it together, and it was not hard at all. Like, that was my biggest fear, like putting together a Glock slide, because I never did it before. It was like easy, bro. I did it in like 15 minutes. The sights, I even put the sights on myself at the crib, bro. Let me see. I put the sight, like, I ordered the tools, but they was gonna be here in like 3 days. So I just used some stuff I had at the crib, really. I really just used these. Like, the rear sight was easy. Everybody know how to put a rear sight on. Get a flathead, get your hammer, throw it up on that right there, and just put it in there. Don't do too much though. But with this, I put the slide on there, through the Loctite on the screw on the bottom, and just twisted the hell out of it with this. And it's on there. It's not moving. When the tool come out, I am going, you feel me, still tighten it up. It's tight though, but I ain't gonna mess with it. Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with it. We good. Oh, shoot. I'm tripping. Cause I just changed my spring on this thing. I forgot to put it back together. So let's do that now. I'm tripping, y'all. I done tried to start this video and talk to y'all. Y'all see what I mean? Man, come on now. Come on now. Play as fuck up. Play as fuck up. Play as fuck up. But I got a couple things coming for my AR pistol. I guess I can tell y'all about that. Bam. Cause my slide wasn't locking back with the with this spring. And this was actually the spring that came with this +5. I just threw my I threw a stronger spring back in there. It was same size and everything, but it was stronger. This one was weak. But with my damn, where's that? With my AR pistol, I done already took it all apart. I got a pistol brace coming for this thing. Cause I got to get rid of this, bro. I got to get rid of this dog. But yeah, took everything out of there. I still gotta go buy the tool to take that off. But other than that, man, my something from Floyd Custom is supposed to be coming today, and it's taking all damn day. That's probably the only reason I'm downstairs in my gun room, cause I was waiting on that to get delivered, but it ain't here yet. So I'm probably finna go lay back down, man. Yeah, but peanut butter, copper, you feel me? It's just that, bro. This barrel and slide combination is crazy, bro. Look at that, man. Now, one thing I can say, bro, is this gun shit, bro, is you ain't gonna never stop buying shit, bro. You gonna always want to buy something, bro. Like, it's a non-stop thing, bro. It's like worse than a drug addiction, bro. Shit is crazy. Shit is crazy. And if y'all want to know the tape that I be putting on these things, I don't know what the hell this is, but the sky belongs to eagles. I guess that's what the name of the tape is. It's weird. I use it though. It works. It actually works. And it blend in. Actually, it blend in a lot. I actually forgot I had that on there. But you feel me? I don't know what I should do with this. You know what? I actually want to see how this look on here. So let's actually try that out. Let's actually try that out real fast. See if that's something I might like. You feel me? I bet you ain't gonna like it. I can tell you now, I ain't gonna like it. Yeah, that's a no-go. You know what? That OD green and that OD green, I don't like that mag in there though. YouTube, these are 15 round mags. I don't like that. I'm not too much of a fan of that right there. It's cool though, but I'm not a fan of that. So we're gonna take that off of there. Let's actually see how it look on the G19 on this. Let's see how it look on this, man. I would take these apart on camera, but I don't know how YouTube feel about that, because they see I'm not cleaning them. Bam, bam. How that look? It look better than with the OD green, but I still prefer it on my 19X, bro. I don't know. Y'all like that? I don't. It don't matter. I don't like it. I don't like it. But this wasn't really even a structured video. I just came to talk to y'all. But I might end up ordering. Look at this though. If I had that on there, would that look decent? It probably will, but you know, this is 19 mag. It's a 19X mag. I like the 19X. But with these slides, I don't know what to do with these slides, bro. I want to get a meal, but that's like extra money, bro. I could go buy me another gun. You feel me? But I'm finna wait on this thing from Floyd's Custom to come. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video. I'm probably just finna drop it, but I mess with y'all boys.